کے بعد میں آج کے اس پروگرام کے مہمان خصوصی ریاست جموں کشمیر کی وہ شخصیت جو ہمیشہ ریاست کے لیے ان کا دل دھڑکتا ہے، ریاست کے لیے ان کی ساری زندگی ریاست جموں کشمیر کے لوگوں کے حقوق کے لیے، لوگوں کی ریاست کی آزادی کے لیے وقف کیا ہے اپنی پوری زندگی۔ میری مراد جناب پروفیسر رفیق بھٹی صاحب اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کریں۔
Respected Secretary General, United Nations, members of the United Nations, and the leaders of all of the countries of this world, you must make it a point and be sure that until and unless the dispute of Kashmir, which is not simply a dispute, but it is occupied by the occupant forces. Unless this occupation is removed, terminated, there will be no peace, no prosperity, and no security of the subcontinent and Southeast Asia. We are here in the front of this headquarters only to plead our case of independence for the freedom of our motherland. We are not against any nation. We are not demanding any territory from India. We are not demanding any territory from Pakistan or from any other country. We are demanding our own soil, our own country, the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the state which was a state before there was no Pakistan, before there was no Bharat. This state is a state which is continuously there on this continent, on this earth since centuries. And we request you, we appeal you, and we admonish you that let Kashmiris live an independent state, an independent nation, until and unless your headquarters, your UNO, your Security Council, and your Secretary General, you do not meet our demand, there will be no peace in subcontinent, no peace in Southeast Asia, no peace even in the world. Kashmir has become a center of armaments. India and Pakistan and adjoining country, they are occupying it. It is not justified. Justify your case. Give us freedom. We demand freedom. It is our birthright, and you have committed. Once again, I appeal to the Secretary General and the members of this United Nations that unless Kashmir is free, you will not get any freedom as a whole, and you will not get any progress, any peace, and any prosperity. I demand once again from all the Kashmiris, from Jammu to Gilgit-Baltistan, and all the people living there in our holy land, the holy land of Jammu and Kashmir, that until United Nations fulfills the commitments made with we people, there will be no peace in the world. If United Nations and the member of the United Nations and Secretary General Nation wants that there must be peace, progress, and security of the world, and that rests in Kashmir. If Kashmir is free, if Kashmir is independent, the world will be free, and world will be independent, and world will be prospering, and world will be having a good situation all over the world. Thank you very much.